I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to.
If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing your right. Watching movies.
Hey you guys, good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're doing a Sunday reset to get ourselves ready for the week. Come along with me as I go get groceries, get my house in order, do some laundry, and just clean up because we need a fresh start to go into a new week. So I hope you guys love this Sunday reset. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video for me, and I'll be back with plenty more.
Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. 2 times, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. All the niggas around me, ride, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I'm
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Look at her. Huh. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. Huh. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah.
So I just got done cleaning my entire house. I went grocery shopping this morning, filled up the fridge, cleaned the kitchen, cleaned the living room, my bathroom, my room, did the floors. I put some laundry in the washer, so I'm waiting for that to finish being washed, and then I'm gonna wash the rest. So I have a lot going on, and it's a good reset day, a good cleaning day. I'm getting ready to start the week. I work tomorrow, but I do work from home, which is nice. So I'm just really trying to get my house together for the week, which is spotless, it's super clean, it smells so good in here, and I really need it to be clean. So I'm happy I got that done. So now for the rest of the night, I need to wind down because it is around 4 p.m. and I'm not going out the house again today. It's really a relaxation day, so I want to get into my skincare routine, so that's what we're going to be doing next. And then I'm going to make myself have some dinner, and then I'm getting in bed because I want to finish binge watching The Shy for the rest of my Sunday. So that's what we'll be doing. So we're gonna get into my skincare
I
routine
know you
next.
feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I like to start my routine off with a cleansing wipe just to get the surface dirt off of my face. I did go grocery shopping today and was in the supermarket and a couple of other stores. So any bacteria that got on my face or any dirt that got on my face on the surface, I just want to get that off. And then once I'm done wiping, I'll go in with a cleanser. I then go on with my foaming cleanser by CeraVe. This literally has cleared up my face so much. I use this as a daily cleanser. It's so good. And yeah, I just cleanse my face with this.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby?
I then wash my face off with a nice clean towelette or washcloth. You have to make sure it's clean. Don't use one that you've used prior for your face. Make sure it's a fresh one because rags can hold bacteria. So you always want to use a fresh rag to wipe your face.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't her.
I then go in with a toner. I use the Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner. This really helps to minimize my pores and keeps my face looking glowy and fresh.
Hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got some.
After that, I go in with my favorite hydrating cream. This is by Fount Society. It's their water cream. This is amazing. It literally keeps my face hydrated for so long. I even use it as a daily boost just to get some extra hydration. You guys can use my code below to get some money off of your purchase if you go and buy it. But it's great. It's one of my faves.
Your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on
Y'all, my girl was asleep, and as soon as I grabbed my snacks, this was her in my face, ready to just snatch my snacks out of my bag. Like, girl. Y'all, I can't even eat my snacks in peace. Move. Move. But look, I got these milk chocolate mini pretzels from Trader Joe's, and these are literally so good. They're my favorites. Y'all should try them if y'all have not had them already. But yeah, you guys, I'm about to finish binging the last season of The Shy. And I'll talk to y'all in another vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the Sunday reset.